Hi, if you can explain to me what remainder means in Algebra 2, you can win $1,000,000.
Okay, yeah, sure. Come inside. I'll explain it to you.
The remainder in math. Remainders are used to find the leftover value after division. In Algebra 2, we will be referring to finding remainders as the remainder theorem, and it will help us a lot. What we need to know is that when working with remainders in Algebra 2, we need to know the synthetic division and know how to use substitution. We also need to know how to work with the equation px over xa, which is used to find the remainder. To find the remainder, you divide the polynomial by the expression x minus a. A can be anything. If the remainder is 0, then it is a factor of the polynomial. The way to check is by using substitution after have done synthetic division. Why is this important? It's important because it's the tool that we use to see if a linear expression is a factor of a polynomial. We can also use it to find the other part of the expression, like mentioned earlier, that when multiplied it equals to the polynomial. And for this reason, the equations we need to know would be px over x minus a, and px is equal to x minus a times q of x plus r. Okay, now let's try to solve it while remembering everything else like synthetic division and the equation. So the first we need to start with synthetic division. We put the 2 down. Now we put every number -4, 2, 8, and 8. And now we bring down the -4. -4 times 2 is -8. -8 plus 2 would be -6. -6 times 2 is -12. -12 plus 8 is now -4. -4 times 2 is -8, meaning the remainder is 0. So now we have found the remainder, and this means if the remainder is 0, that x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Now we can check by substituting 2 into the equation, and we find out that 0 is the remainder. And now the equation would be f2 is equal to 0. Now give me my $1,000,000.